Are you a music composer who's trying to learn sound design so you can get more work in the games industry? Have you ever made sounds or music for a video game only to find that the end result of the game's sound isn't what you planned? Or maybe you're a programmer who's trying to learn more sound design so you can maximize the potential of your game's sound. In the Game Audio Training Series, we provide 20 plus hours of video course material covering the following topics. How we make sounds for video games. How we make sounds from our Sound Recreate YouTube series. Explaining our mindset and approach to designing sound effects. Showing a step-by-step process for how we use integration software like Fmod with Unity, so you can have greater control over the sounds and mix of your game. Learning the basics of programming in Unity, making your skill set more valuable for any dev team, as well as allowing you to have much more control over your work and exactly how it sounds. Basic project management, allowing you to manage an asset list within a team, and deliver sound effects and project changes across the internet. Exclusive early access to episodes of our weekly podcast, exclusive access to channels in our Discord server, plus much more. Our list of content is constantly growing, adding videos every single week. And to name just a few awesome ideas we have on the docket, showing how to make sounds for a game with only a single sound effect, how to work with sounds recorded on an iPhone microphone, and even full game projects for you to practice sound design and integration from step 1 to completion. We even supply you with all of the sounds and materials so you can follow along with our project, step by step. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ryan Stunkel. I'm a professional sound designer and music composer that works on AAA and indie games. I've also participated in over 20 speaking events in just the last 2 years, including amazing organizations like Google and PAX. Everything I have learned is a demonstration of what Blipsounds as a company has become, coalesced in the easily consumable and highly educational material in the Game Audio Training Series. If you've ever wanted to learn game audio design, Blipsounds will walk you right up to the front door, and all you have to do is knock for only $25 a month. So what are you waiting for? Go to blipsounds.com in the description below, subscribe to the Game Audio Training Series, and get on the path to becoming a professional sound designer today. We're looking forward to seeing you in the Game Audio Training Series. Thanks for watching.